Thank you everyone for attending. I know the weather conditions are not ideal. I know we've been facing issues with the weather today, but as we all know, in our industry, money never sleeps, Forex never sleeps. So allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ahmed Al-Tashat. I'm the sales director at BT Markets. I'm just here to introduce BT Markets in general and discuss what's been going on in the global economies. What are the major drivers affecting the prices or the global financial markets? And what is the general outlook during the year of 2024? So allow me to introduce BT Markets. BT Markets is a company that was established in 2015. And our general idea was very simple. Our mission was very simple. Make trading easy, safe, and accessible for everyone. And of course, when we say safe, we can't say it without saying regulation. And this is why we know it's extremely important to have such licenses to protect our clients, to protect our partners, and most importantly, our clients' funds. At BT Markets, we proudly have the ASIC license, considered a Tier 1 license from Australia, but we also have the FSCA license from South Africa, along with 2 other offshore licenses. During 2024, we've been working on so many different licenses that we will be announcing very, very soon. So just to give you a general idea about who we are and what our numbers are, we proudly have more than 1,000 plus different products on our platform, with more than 250,000 active clients in 160 countries around the world. More than 4 billion trades are being taken per month, with an average trading volume in excess of 200 yards and 30 plus major awards worldwide. These products include Forex, gold and silver, obviously, or precious metals, commodities, indices, energies, bonds, ETFs, and of course cryptocurrencies, one of the most demanded products within the past 3 or 4 years. Now, of course, we do realize that we need to cater to different clients, to different client needs, all different levels, with different requirements in general. Hence why we offer different trading accounts, starting off with our standard accounts, best for beginners, our ECN accounts, offering one of the best spreads in the industry, for our pro and experienced traders, the cent account, swap-free accounts, and more. We also offer these accounts on our MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView platform, the very well-known TradingView platform, and our very own BT Markets app. Just to have a quick overview of our app, an extremely user-friendly app, one that's easy to use. You can access the market at your fingerprints. IBs can manage their clients easily through this application. And as I said, we also offer exclusive promotions, discounts, the deposit bonuses, and others on our BT Markets app. Of course, you can download this app on the Google Store, Play Store, simply search for BT Markets. Just a quick overview of the app. And then we jump into our other app, our VTrade app. The VTrade app is basically our copy trading platform. This is used for our clients and by our providers, where they proudly put their strategies with different results, different risk profiles, and different strategies, where people can come, find these providers, look at their performance, their risk appetite, and then choose the right provider to go with. Of course, we do realize that our clients may have so many different needs, so many different tools that they require in order to enhance their trading experience. This may include PAM or MAM systems for our partners, expert advisors for those who don't like to trade by themselves or just want a robot to trade on their behalf, economic calendar, free educational tools, free one-to-one educational training, and more. Of course, we do realize the need for a 24/7 client support desk, but we also support 20 plus different languages to cater our clients in 160 different countries. And we also offer a one-to-one dedicated relationship manager for each and every one of our clients. So in general, as I mentioned, the client part, but I'd also like to mention the partner part, where we do offer an industry-leading partner offer, along with very competitive rebates, a multi-level system, and world-class IB support. Now, to present our sponsorship, after 10 years of Maserati MSG racing, we proudly sponsored Maserati Formula E during their 10th season. Now, Maserati aligns very much with our vision, innovation, resilience, and hard work. Hence why we chose to proceed our partnership with Maserati. Over the past year, we've been very lucky to send our clients to London, Shanghai, Monaco, and other destinations around the world to attend these races, to meet the drivers, and to have a chat with them one-on-one. So, without further ado, let's have a quick discussion about what moved the markets in 2024. I know a lot of you are already traders, a lot of you are already in the market, so I'm just going to have a quick overview about it, what's been moving the markets, and what's expected to continue moving the markets in 2024. This mainly includes the geopolitical tensions, especially in the Middle East region and Eastern Europe. These two regions have been extremely critical for the world's food supply, for the world's energy production, and of course, in the Middle East region, the global supply chain networks. These have all been disrupted, and we've seen its effect on gold, we've seen its effect on oil, on the US dollar, along with many other products. Of course, we've also seen major technological advancements in AI. NVIDIA has been the talk of the year. ChatGPT has already caused massive ripples in 2023 that have continued to take effect into 2024. We've also seen large fluctuations in energy prices, whether we're talking about the oil, or natural gas, or other sources of energy, but also the disruptions in the global supply chain network. Finally, we've seen some economic slowdowns, not only in emerging markets, but also in very well-established, strong global economies. So let's have a quick look about what happened with gold, one of the biggest safe havens during times of uncertainty, if not the world's #1 safe haven. Now, since October 2023, when the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East started, we've seen gold rally around 30%. Year to date, it's been up around 15%. This has been fueled, of course, by the geopolitical tensions, but not only that, but also the economic outlook during this year. We've seen a lot of economic slowdown, as people have highly demanded gold. But not only that, so did central banks. Central banks also followed, have also been leading the way all along during the past 3 or 4 years, where they have been greatly increasing their gold reserves, backing up their economy and backing up their currency supplies with this gold reserve. Now, major analysts, including the very famous Goldman Sachs, have predicted the price $2,700 per ounce before the end of this year, while other analysts even expected it to surpass actually the $3,000 mark. So why trade gold with VT markets? Number one, we're proud to have one of the lowest spreads in the industry. That's only about 7 cents, which makes us extremely competitive. And this is on our ECN accounts, the true ECN execution venue. We also have very deep liquidity and ultra-fast execution, especially on those big orders that people tend to get highly slipped on. Of course, we don't have any limitations on trading strategies, the use of expert advisors, VPS programs, or other systems, and a leverage of up to 1 to 500 and availability of swap free. Moving forward to the next safe haven, one of the biggest safe havens in the FX world and the currency world is the US dollar, of course. Now, we've seen a drop in the US dollar during the end of 2023. However, this was mainly caused by people hoping the US Federal Bank will be decreasing interest rates during 2024. As soon as these numbers started coming out, whether we're talking about the global inflation rate or if we're talking about the job data coming out of the US, people soon realized that no, we don't think that the Fed will be decreasing interest rates that quick on that pace in 2024. But not only that, going back to all this economic, geopolitical uncertainty, people have went to currencies they can actually use, currencies that are always in demand, currencies they can use all around the world. Very important saying that we have in the markets: cash is king, always. Hence why we've seen a very high demand for safe haven assets. Usually it was the Japanese yen along with the US dollar. With the current weakness on the Japanese yen, most of the flow has been going to the US dollar. So why trade the US dollar along with other FX products with VT markets? Number one, our industry-leading offering with the best-in-class charges, whether we're talking about spreads, commissions, or the leverage offering. We also offer, obviously, deep liquidity, ultra-fast execution on these big trades, along with unlimited swap fee on our currency majors, our currency miners, and some of our cryptocurrencies as well. Moreover, no limitations on trading strategies. That's not only for FX, but mainly all other products. I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Thank you very much for your attention, everyone. It's been a pleasure talking to you.